Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Mnemonics in Biology for you. Today we are going to discuss some trick to memorize the 20 proteogenic amino acid within 5 minutes. It's an important topic for your coming NEET exam 2020. So we can make a look at the classification of amino acid at first. You know that amino acids are organic acid having amino and carboxyl group. Okay, now we can classify the amino acid in different types, and they are neutral amino acid, acidic amino acid derivatives, basic amino acid, sulfur containing amino acids, aromatic amino acid, and amino acid having imino group. Neutral amino acids are having a net charge of 0, whereas acidic amino acids are having a negative charge, and acidic amino acid derivatives are simply the derivatives of acidic amino acid and also considered as amino acid. Basic amino acids are having positive charge, and sulfur containing amino acid having sulfur as additional group, whereas aromatic amino acids having cyclic ring structure and having characteristic aroma. And amino acid having imino group are very important when we are considering the amino acids, and these amino acids are coming under the category called proteogenic amino acid. What do you mean by proteogenic amino acid? Amino acids which are participating in the formation of protein can be called as proteogenic amino acid. There are 20 proteogenic amino acids. These are called magic 20. The sulfur containing amino acid is very important as far as exam is concerned. The neutral amino acids are net charge 0. They are glycine, alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, serine, and threonine. Glycine is the simplest amino acid, and alanine, valine, leucine, isoleucine, serine, threonine have a branched chain structure. Okay. Now we can make a look at acidic amino acid. There are two important acidic amino acids, and they are aspartic acid and glutamic acid. You know that these aspartic acid and glutamic acid are having a net negative charge. Okay, the monosodium glutamate or Ajinomoto is simply a modified form of glutamic acid called monosodium glutamate. Okay, then the acidic amino acid derivatives are also considered as acidic amino acid. They are asparagine and glutamine. As far as your NEET examination is concerned, the important question is like that: what are the two important amides found in plants? The answer is asparagine and glutamine. You have to remember, it's very important for your exam. Okay, now we can make a look at the basic amino acid. Basic amino acids are of three types. They are lysine, arginine, and histidine. Okay, lysine and arginine are two important basic amino acids found in the histone protein. Okay, histone protein is a positively charged protein found in uh, chromosome. You know that. Okay, these positive charges mainly due to the presence of these positive charged basic amino acid. Now we can make a look at sulfur containing amino. It's very important. You will get a question from this portion. The two sulfur containing amino acids are cysteine and methionine. Another question is, which of the following amino acid is having sulfhydryl group? The answer is cysteine, not methionine, cysteine. Okay, the first amino acid of every protein will be always methionine. It is called by a codon called AUG. AUG is also called start codon or initiate codon. Okay, now we can make a look at aromatic amino acid. They are having cyclic structure and characteristic aroma, and they are phenylalanine, tyrosine, tryptophan. Okay, when uh, when an abnormality found in phenylalanine, it will create a disease-genetic disorder known as phenylketonuria. Okay, in our body, phenylalanine is converted into tyrosine. When the phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is absent or deficient, then the phenol never convert into tyrosine. It will create a genetic disorder known as phenylketonuria. Now we can make a look at amino acid having imino group. Every amino acid is having amino group, that is NH2 group, except proline, because it is having imino group, that is NH group, instead of NH2 group. Hence the name amino acid. very very important. During stress condition plants and animal, the proline will be produced. Hence, the proline is commonly called as stress amino acid. Another important neat question: which of the following amino acid is considered as a stress amino acid? The answer is nothing but proline. It is also called as osmolyticum. What do you mean by osmolyticum? Osmolyticum means the chemical substances which are used to maintain osmotic balance in cells, especially in plant cells. Okay, proline is produced during stress condition in order to maintain osmotic balance. Can you name any other osmolyticum? Yes, sorbitol is another example for osmolyticum. Sorbitol is a sugar alcohol which is used to maintain osmotic equilibrium or osmotic balance or osmotic potential in plants. So it's very important to understand what is an osmolyticum. Hi friends, it is very simple to remember all these amino acids with some tips and tricks. And they are, for neutral amino acid you have to study only this code, that is GAV list. Okay, G for what? G for glycine, A for alanine, V for valine, L for leucine, I for isoleucine, S for serine, T for threonine. As far as the acidic amino acid is concerned, the code is ARG. The first two A indicates acidic amino acid, and the third A indicates the acidic amino acid aspartic acid, and G indicates glutamic acid. Okay, for the basic amino acid, you have to remember one name, that is Bala. His or her initial is H. Here B and A stand for basic amino acid, and the third letter L stand for lysine, A for arginine, and the initial H for histidine. And to study the sulfur containing amino acid is very easy. For studying sulfur containing amino acid is CM. You know that CM means cheap initial, but here C for cysteine and M for methionine. Okay, for aromatic amino acid, the code is PT square. P for phenylalanine, and the T square in the first T for tryptophan and the second T for tyrosine. So friends, these are the cards which I have created to memorize these amino acid very easily. Okay, GAV is for neutral amino acid, AG for acidic amino acid, and BALA H for basic amino acid, and ZM for sulfur containing amino acid, PT square for aromatic amino acid. Okay, you know that the GAV means in Hindi, it means what? GAV means village. Okay, and list means something we are listing out. Okay, and ag in Hindi means fire. Bala means what? Bala is the name of a person and having initial H. Okay, so Z means for chief minister. Okay, and PT square is very easy to remember. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.